You are the reason why I strive for the better and why I became this man today. We are not perfect. May mga darating na away at tampuhan. Pero araw-araw, pipiliin pa rin kita. At kahit bumaho at mapuno ng laway mo yung magiging una natin, I will still choose you and I will still love you.
Tama, huwag mag-alala na kahit anong mangyari, ako'y nandito. Marami pa ang panahon, mahaba man ang ating daan. Ikaw ang aking tahanan, ikaw ang kailangan.
You know, may
On our special day, I want to honor you and appreciate all your love, effort, and patience to me through this gift. This gift may be something valuable, but know that you are more valuable than this.
Malalim man ay lalangin, delikado man ay susunod. Sumangkin ka lang, lahat ay haharapin.
Hindi ka ganyan.
Hanggat may bukas, marami pang oras para sa ating dalawa.
Kalbo! I love you so much. Sana ma-surprise ka sa life ko. Always remember na nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo, Babs. You are the best gift na binigay sa akin ng love you, see you.
Thank you sa pag-alaga. Sa pagluto. Thank you especially sa lahat. Yun lang naman. Doon pa rin naman ako sa Cavite.
God knew that I needed someone who would always believe in me and support me in every vision and calling God wants me to do. Every day with you is a reminder of how faithful God is. Whenever I see you, I see God's goodness and faithfulness dahil isa ka sa katuparan ng magagandang pangako ng Panginoon sa akin. You are God's grace manifested in my life, Babsy. And you are my undeserved favor from the Lord. You are heaven sent. And alam yun ng mga taong nagmamahal sa atin.
Siyempre, Mama, thank you for everything. Everything means sa pag-aalaga, sa pagtitiis, sa lahat ng sakripisyo sa amin. Kung uulitin na pwedeng pumili ng mama, ikaw ulit yun.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko sabihin ng super favored and blessed ko. Pero hindi yun dahil sa mga na-achieve ko or narating ko sa buhay. Kundi dahil minahal mo.
Tayo ay babalik sa simula. Ito ganito na
I vow to love you sa mga araw na confident ka at sa mga oras na nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mo. I'll be here to remind you how amazing you are every step of the way. To understand you kahit minsan magulo ang mundo, I will always support you kahit saan kadalhin ng mga pangarap mo. And I will always be at your side. And finally, I vow to be your best friend.
ang pag-ibig ating punla. May kapal ang siyang mayakda sa ating paglalakbay.
I've always thought that you are the man of my dreams, but later I realized you are the man of my answered prayer. What are mere mortals or we humans that God should think of us? But God giving me you along with Jesus is a proof that indeed He has always thought of me. He knew, or God knew, that I needed someone who would intentionally stay and make me feel loved even when I am unlovable.
Tayo ay babalik sa simula.
You are proof that God listens and that He knows exactly what my heart needs. You are God's way of showing me that love can be steady, safe, and true.
Kung maliligaw, ikaw ang linaw, di ka bibitawan. Sa sigwa o araw, dilim o bughaw, ikaw ang sigaw.
You're not just my person, you're my home, my rest, my heart, and my safe place. And from now on, my lifetime partner. New chapter, new memories to make together, new life to build, new challenges to overcome together by the grace of the Lord. Madaming magbabago, pero I vow that my love for you will never change.
Tayo ay babalik. Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin. At kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik.
I love you, Babsy, and I can't wait to what God has in store for us together as Mr. and Mrs. Parafina. Eh!